Get down! Get down!
Once these guys are out of the way, we're going to lift it again. We're going to walk it down the ramp slowly in a straight line. When you guys get to the water, stop. Alright, and then we're going to put it down, I'll shove it the rest of the way and we'll all jump in. Okay? Okay. Lift on 3, 1, 2, 3 and up. Woo! Nice one lad, pop it down just there for me. Sorry. Alrighty then team. Alright, let's go. Paddle forwards for me folks. All forward. Nice and smooth in time. Get down! Bums on the floor! Get down, get down! Paddles up lads! Nice one. Back up to your seats again. Okay, and hold on, lean in! Nice. Over right. Okay. Over left. Yeah, nice one lads. I'm back in your seats again. And lean in. Forward. Go forward. Thumbs on the floor. Get down, buddy. Go forward. So up. Paddle forward. In. Lean in. Now back up again. Paddle forward. Woo! Keep going. And paddle forward, Steve. Woo! Don't panic. Paddle forward. Paddle forward. And stop there. Nice done, lads. How are you all doing?
Oh, good, I think.
We're coming just to a little shallow section now, but in a minute we'll find in a few minutes we've got a couple of rapids to go through. I'll find you a deep section, jump in, you can get yourselves, have a little cool down, and then pull yourselves back in. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Paddle forward. Stop. Nice work, Steve. So round the corner, got another rapid. It's going to be a hold on, lean in rapid. Okay. But we're going to paddle right into it first.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, then paddle forward. Keep going. Yeah. And hold on, lean in. Nice man. Back up again. Whoa. Back up. Paddle forward.
Yeah.
And hold on, lean in. And back up again, lads. And paddle forward. Nicely done. Paddle forward. And stop. And paddle backwards now, team. All backwards. Harder, lads. Go on, harder. Harder. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going like you mean it, boys. Alright, and stop there. Nicely done. So at the bottom of this rapid, okay, paddle forwards for me, please, team. That's it. Yeah, keep it going like that. That's good. Feel that movement. Go on, lads. Go on, left side. Dig it in. Go harder on the left.
Harder on the left.
Harder. Paddle forwards. Harder. Get down. Get down. What was that, boys? Lift your paddles up. Okay, keep your paddles up. Get your paddles up, that's it. So lads, right.
Incoming!
Paddle forwards for me. Stop. Nice one. Sweet.
No time വിളിച്ചു വാടാ.
Would you like a challenge, or do you just want to go in the water?
I want a challenge.
Oh, I can't tell you. I'll tell you if you agree.
Challenge.
You want the challenge? Okay, turn and face each other. When you're ready, lads, go for it. Yeah, go for it. It's good, man.
Yeah.
Right now, he's going to hold you. You've got to get back as well. Oh, you let him go! I can't believe you let him go. Hey, man, it's good. Grab it. You're all good. You're okay, man. You're alive. You made it. Do you want to have a go at the rescue?
Yeah, I will do it.
Yep. You all right, man? Okay, good. Hold your breath. Get your feet out behind you. That's it. So stand up straight. Get your bums up, man. Stand up. So you want your knees up here on two like that. Okay. Sit. So dunk up, fall over backwards. Yeah, nice. Well done. Nice, dude. But you nailed that. You did that really well. And he's just like, yeah. Start getting a bit shallow. Does anyone really want to go in the water to cool down? Yeah. There's another opportunity later on.
We can get into the water.
But if you want to do it here, like go quick because we're going to keep getting closer.
Yeah.
Okay. You got like 5 seconds. Like just want a quick cool down. Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done.
Okay then, lads, paddle backwards for me, please. All backwards. Nice. Yeah. Keep it good. Nice one. And stop. Paddle forwards. And stop. And paddle backwards. Nice. And stop there. Nicely done, lads.
Yes, thank you.
Precision. Get on.
Now, ഒന്ന് തുടങ്ങി വേടാ. ടാക്സി വിടണോ? ഓട്ടോ വിടണോ? ഓട്ടോ. Too bad, people. Too bad. You're not strong enough, guys. Backward. Sorry,
You guys were way better than that. You guys were on point.
Thank you.
Nice and steady here, team. We don't need to show off. Gently forwards again then, please. Got another little rapid coming up in a minute, which we're going to get down for. It's going to be a bums on the floor rapid, okay?
Yep.
Yeah, all good?
Yeah.
Right, keep going, and get down! Nice one, boys. Back up to your feet for me. Nicely done.
Hey.
But you nailed it again. That was good. Yes, we are still in the boat and we are still afloat. All right then, team. Paddle forwards for me, please. Stop there for me. You guys keen for a bit of rough and tumble with the other boat? Yeah, you keen? Yeah? A minute, when we get to the bridge, the water is really deep, okay? So stay in the middle, and the water down there is like a nice deep channel.
Alright.
Well, just kind of like pull over and act all nonchalant, and as the other raft comes by us, leave your paddles behind and just jump on board and push them all out, push all your mates out. Are you keen?
That's too...
You don't have to, like it's an optional.
Yeah, no.
You don't have to.
No.
If you call someone, like get their buoyancy aid, right? Don't pull their arm out of the socket or anything crazy, yeah? Let's go rescue that paddle for them. Paddle forwards, everyone. Huh?
White flag.
Go on, keep going, team. Keep going. The race. Come on, keep going. Come on. No, I don't want to. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop going forward.
paddle forwards again. What's it worth? Paddle forwards, team. Come on, buddy, you as well. You got to paddle. You're part of the crew.
Mine?
Yeah, but wait. Come on, dude. Paddle, and it's like, can I throw it?
Out of breath.
Okay. Have a move, Ted. Come on. Let's go. We've still got people in our boat. Their boat's empty. In the boat. Stop. Okay, that's it. All right. Great effort. Really good effort. You got a load of people in. We're getting shallow now.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Brandon soon.
Have you seen the trick where get you guys some paddles each again? Alrighty. Nice and smooth in time, yeah? Stop! Nice one, lad. Yeah, keep going here, team. This is good. Keep going. Keep going. How are you temperature-wise? How are you feeling?
It's good. Actually, yesterday was a bit hot back in Snowdonia.
Yeah.
When you get down here, it's a bit breezy.
All alright, is
Yeah.
it? Sound.
But it's fine.
Oh, hey, the castle I told you guys about earlier. That's it, just up on the hill.
Oh,
there.
that's one. Okay.
So it's literally like
At
a
the top,
20-minute,
top of the hill,
right at the top.
Yeah.
So it's called Dinnesbran. It's about like 25 minutes, 20 minutes from town. From 80 years, 80 years to build it.
Okay.
They lived there for 20 years. I'm like, nah. And then they left, and it's just collapsed ever since. But for me, please, folks. We will have a get down in a minute. But keep paddling for now. Get down! Paddles up, that's it. And back up to your seats, boys. Paddle backwards for me, please. And stop there, nice one. Nice. All together, long deep strokes, paddle forwards, team. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, it's all good. Back up, guys, back up. Backwards, Tim, all backwards. Hard backwards, boys, let's go. Hard backwards. Harder, harder, harder. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hard, really hard. Come on, boys. Let's go, boys. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, lads, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Five more. What happened there, man? It was fine. You're like, I was just gonna go in again.
Camera.
Paddle forwards, lads. Paddle forwards. And stop and get down!
വണ്ടി വെള്ളം നിറയ്ക്കണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മൂപ്പര്.
And stop. Diggy diggy, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's keep it going. This is good, keep going. This is good. Go on left side, pick it up. Keep going lads, keep going. Keep going. Yeah lads, keep it going. Keep going boys. Keep going boys. Yeah, keep going lads. Go on lads, go on, we're nearly there. Keep going. Keep going. Stop there boys, stop there. Get down, get down. Try again. Forward pedal, go back here. Alright then boys. Okay, slowly stand up. Slowly. Alright, nice one lads, jump down again. Forward, forward. Stop.
You guys, we will show you.
You're not back, paddle backwards. And stop. Nice one. Everyone lean in, lean in, lean in. And lean in, mind the bump. Stop. 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 Paddle forwards. Go backwards. And stop. And paddle forwards, team. And stop. And all forwards again, team. Nicely done. Nicely done.
First you want to panic.
Nice. Keep it going, team. Keep it going. In time, remember lads. We're all over the shop here. Thanks dude, we're the last ones. Should be clear now. Thank you. Keep it going over here, okay? Keep going, keep going. Yeah, nice team, keep going. Keep going. Nice, keep going team, this is great, keep going. Don't wave at anybody, okay? Just keep paddling. Keep going. Hold on, lean in. Hold on, lean in. Back up again. Paddle backwards. All backwards. Keep going. Keep going. Hard backwards, boys. Hard backwards. Harder, harder, harder. And lean in, lean in, lean in. Back up again. Paddle forwards hard. And get down, get down. Nice boys, well done. Jump up again. Up, 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 up. Nicely done lads. All forward, paddle forward. Paddle forward. Nice work boys. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And stop there, nice. How was that for you lads?
Amazing.
Enjoyed it? Yeah. Nice. Not there dude, not there. Guys, paddle backwards. Paddle backwards. Stop. Paddle back again. What did you like the most?
The last one.
This one just here. It's good, isn't it? It is a good one. It's like the most consequential as well, but when it goes nice, it's
Before you do this one,
expected this one.
What's that?
You kind of expected this one.
Yeah. Kind of build up to this one. So this is a class 4 rapid we've just done.
Yeah.
So the other one's like class 3, class 2, that kind of thing. But yeah, this is a class 4. Like we take people out upstream. If we're like, nah, you're not doing it. We'll get rid of them. Nice and steady. We're not racing, okay? It's nice and steady. That's it. Yeah, like that. That's good. Keep that going. Keep that going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Lean in. Lean in. Lean in. Good. Paddle backwards, team. Nicely done. Nicely done. And stop there. Lean in. Alright, and stop there, team.
Cheers, mate.
Alright. Come on out, lads. Well done. Thank you for this afternoon. I've really enjoyed it. It's been a well, good evening. Nice indeed. Nice, buddy. Well. Are we
നേരെ അപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് പോയി അപ്പുറത്ത് ആകെ ചത്തം തോന്നുന്നു